Hello everybody, I'm Cristian Barrios from Bogota, Colombia. I was studying at AM Language School for almost 3 months, from May to the second week of August. I chose this school thanks to the advice from my agency. I started the IELTS course being upper intermediate level, and my target is to score between 7 to 7.5 in the exam. One thing that stands out about this experience is my teacher Seema Prasad. She's the best English teacher I've ever had. Basically, what I enjoyed the most was hanging around with my classmates. They were fantastic people from around the world. We used to talk about interesting things about life, and it was amazing to learn from their different points of view. Guys, for this reason I really recommend you to live this experience at AM Language School.